guys, it's Matt and Busby here and welcome to April's How To Little Oaks Activity Box video. Now this month we've got loads of exciting activities in the box, so let's take a look and see what's in there. Thank you, Busby. So we've got, this month we're growing sunflowers, which are one of my favourites, and Busby, I'm sure you love them too. So you've got some pots which you're going to plant your sunflowers in. We've got 1, 2, 3 pots there. In this packet here, you've got your sunflower seeds, so keep those safe. What else is in there, Busby? Let's have a look. Aha! Compost. Of course, we need compost to fill the pots. And, let me just take another look. We've got a tape measure. Now, we're going to use this tape measure to measure the plants as they grow. And you can even send us pictures of them so we can see how tall your plants are getting. So, let's start the activity and start planting these sunflowers. So, the first step, open up your bag of compost. And we're going to fill these pots up like we did last month with the veg, right away to the top with the compost, just like that. Don't worry if you make a bit of a mess, I'm sure you'll be doing it outside. So there we go, that's all of the pots filled. The next step is the most exciting, the bit you've got to be a little bit careful of because these are quite small seeds. You've got to get your seeds, your sunflower seeds, you've got quite a few in here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're really small, and we're just going to poke them into the top of the compost like that. So we're going to do a couple in each pot. Brilliant. And then, as we did last time, we added a little bit more compost to cover over the top of the seeds, just like this. Then, once you've got your pots and your seeds all planted, the final step is to add a little bit of water because plants need water and sunlight to grow. So once these have all been watered, I put them in a warm sunny windowsill and soon you'll be able to see the plants starting to shoot up out of that compost. We also have another activity in the box, Busby. Let me have a look in there. So we have got some spring Easter bunting. So what you've got to do with this, you can colour it in all sorts of different colours, nice bright colours, and then you do need an adult or parent supervision to cut out the triangles for you, and we're going to attach them together with, let's have a look, Busby, what have we got in here to attach them together? That's it, some ribbon. So you're going to put holes in the top of each little triangle and thread the ribbon through, and you'll have a lovely decorated piece of bunting to hang up in the home. So there we are, guys, this month's Little Oaks activity box. We hope you enjoy and we can't wait to see your updates.